Morning everybody, welcome to the channel. I hope you're well. What a miserable day. It's absolutely lashing it down here. Anyway, I've got a review to do today. It was from B&M, so come on over and I'll show you what it is. And it is a Goodmans Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner and it costs £20. I love handheld vacuum cleaners. They're so handy for the house, your caravan, your car, whatever. I had one before. I brought mine from Aldi and it lasted me about 6 years. It's absolutely battered now. Look, this was my one. It was a wet and dry one and this one only cost £15 and it's a shame Aldi didn't have any more because I would have gone and brought an Aldi one. But anyway, I got this one from B&M. So let's open it and have a look. Before we open it up, let's have a look at some of the information. I forgot to tell you it's a wet and dry one as well. It has a 20-minute run time. To charge it fully, it takes 4 hours and it has a powerful suction and it is a 7.4V lithium power. It says it's ultra light and easy to maneuver. It has 3 different tools. It has a crevice tool, a brush tool and a rubber wet nozzle. And the 3 nozzle attachments pick up dirt, debris and small spillages. So let's get it open and have a look. Right, I'm just going to cut the security seal. Oh, I'm no good at opening boxes. Oh, struggling with this today. Right, let's have a look. Oh, that looks quite nice, doesn't it? I hope you can see it. Right, let's take it out of the bag, all the rustling. Give me 2 minutes. Wow, that's really lightweight. Do you know what? That's lighter than my old one. Gosh, that's really light. There's no weight to it at all. I like the black and the rose gold thing. I have also noticed that you haven't got like, you know, like your little docking station that you put it on, that you can attach it to the wall and stuff. I've noticed it doesn't come with one of them, but that doesn't matter. There's your plug. Right, I found one attachment. That's the brush. Oh, I've left, no. Oh, hang on, it's at the bottom of the box. I found it. There's your instructions. It's just your normal stuff, isn't it, about keeping it safe and all this, that and the other. So there's your instructions. There's the plug and the charger. It charges, it charges at the back there. Right, that's my wet nozzle. That's my little crevice nozzle. And that's my upholstery and brush nozzle. Right, for the review, I've put a few spillages on the board. We've got some flour, some cornflakes and some breadcrumbs. So to start off with, I am going to do the flour with no nozzle attachment first. Right, that got the flour up really good. It has got a good suction too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the little crevice nozzle. So I'm going to put that in. That's the wrong way. I always put things in the wrong way. Right, there we go. So I'm going to do the breadcrumbs. Very impressed. Do you know what? It's not too loud neither, and it is really, really lightweight. You can't even feel it in your hands. It's just really light. So now we're going to do the cornflakes. Right, so far I'm really impressed with that. It's got all the stuff up off the board. I haven't had to overwork or anything. So far, so good. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to spill some stuff onto the board so we can try it wet. Right, I've spilt a bit of water on the board. I'm going to change the nozzle for the wet nozzle, which is this one. I'm sorry if I'm not in shot every now and again. I'm hopeless. I don't watch what I'm doing. I think it goes on the end. Whoops. that's a good start in it already. Sorry, it went all pear-shaped then. Right, I've stuck the wet nozzle in. Do you know what? The nozzles are really easy to change. They're not like really stiff or hard. So we're going to hoover the water up now. Do you know what? I'm not very impressed with the wet bit. It doesn't seem to have the suction as good as what it did when I was hoovering the dry crumbs up. So that one's not a very good attachment, or the, can't get my words out, sorry. Right, when I hoovered the water up, you couldn't feel the suction like you did with the cornflakes, the flour and the breadcrumbs. And as you can see, I've still got puddles of water on there. So I'm not too sure about the wet at the minute. I don't find the wet bit that good. Right, to make this review fair, because I've done it on a hard surface, I want to do it on a soft surface. So I'm going to go and get Old Food Guide to come and help me do a review on the stair carpet. Here he is.
Cleaner.
Come on then, let's go.
Come on.
So right, it's going to do the bottom stair carpet for me.
It doesn't seem as powerful as the Audi one. Not picking up any big crap.
What do you think on stair carpet?
Rubbish.
Rubbish.
No near as good as that Audi one.
Has it got any suction?
No power.
No power?
No.
Right, thank you for doing that
Take
for
it
me.
back.
Thank you. Right, for my end review now, on hard surface, it seemed okay with the cornflakes, the flour and the breadcrumbs. I did have suction, but when it came to the water, it was rubbish. As you're seeing, it didn't get any of the water up hardly. Old Food Guy's just done it on the stairs for me, and he said there's no power in it, there's no suction, it's not getting the bits up. And to be honest, my poor Aldi one for £15 is a lot stronger, and the water bit as well is really good. So what would I give Goodmans handheld vacuum cleaner? It is really good for the weight. It's not as heavy as my Aldi one, which is good. It's really lightweight, but unfortunately on carpet it isn't any good, and with water it's not very good. So I'm going to give it a 2, just for how light it is and the design. I like the colour. I think it's absolutely rubbish. On hard surface it seemed okay-ish, but when it came to the water and the stairs, it wasn't very good. So it's going to get a 2. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all later. Bye.